Hey everyone, it's Jay here from Arcan RV. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the brand new 2026 Cougar. This is going to be the 26 RES plan, so beautiful kind of rear living area. First thing I always like to point out, you'll see these beautiful accent lights right on the front. That's right on your actually full molded front cap. That's going to have an automotive paint on it, so it's not going to deteriorate over time. Another cool thing I love to point out on these new Cougars is this beautiful Kurt Helix pin. They've basically engineered it so they use the best of both worlds with that spring and the gas strut to give you the most amount of movement without any chucking while you're driving. Another thing that Cougar did that's kind of revolutionary, I like to say, but it's not too crazy, is putting gas struts on this front door here. A lot of people are always stuck having to use this clip. That never really works. This is a great innovation that I love on this exact unit here. As we make our way around the outside here, you'll actually see this full convenience center right in the middle here. So this is where you're gonna have your outside shower. That's where you're gonna be able to winterize the system. Everything you need, even your pulls for your tanks are above that freeze line of the floor so that they're up in there. And you do have this piece here that you can go right through if you ever needed to. Going into the passenger storage, they do this beautiful rubber coin flooring. This is the same flooring you're gonna see in big toy haulers, so it can be beat up, it's not gonna deteriorate over time. And actually in this little cubby here, you can access all of your different water areas there. So it's a full water management system. So if you have a leak, you can actually stop it right at the leak without having to turn all the water off in your unit or having to run around and find where that is. Last thing I want to point out is the auto level system on this guy. So he's got a full 4 points of auto level. Super easy to just set up at the campsite when you hit that button and it goes down. As we make our way to the other side, I want to point out this guy here. So you can actually put a dog leash on this, hook up some bikes, or even chain up a generator, and that's bolted right to the frame. Another beautiful view at this huge passenger storage inside here. You'll see the beautiful LED light that kind of illuminates the entire thing, and this thick aluminum, that's actually what your floor decking is going to be made out of. You'll see it's got forced air into here for heating, and as well as your water lines are plumbed right in the floor there. Cool, another little thing, I can actually access my awning right in here. So opposed to having to run inside and outside the trailer every single time, I can work my awning right from the outside of the trailer. The cool thing on this new model is they're actually putting anti-braking system in this. So these are ABS brakes built onto the trailer, which almost no trailer has right now, and then Goodyear tires all the way around them. You'll also notice the red Road Armour suspension on that. So that's an upgraded bushing, and it's also gonna give you a little bit more play so you're not breaking the dishes as you drive down the road. These new Suburban steps that they brought in are amazing as well. This top piece here you're gonna see is much wider, so it's easy to get in and out. They're much lighter than the aluminums as well, so it's super easy to bring up and down. And ratcheting these things up and down is super easy to do. You can leave it down like this. My step comes down, I bring that to the floor, and I'm nice and sturdy. But let's pop inside and take a look at this guy. First thing you notice is all the beautiful light in here. Beautiful light fixture right here, lights all the way across the back, and all the windows. When we're outside and the daylight is coming in, this thing really brightens up. You have a nice bar top area here, but this can actually convert into a table. So if I swing these chairs out a little bit here, I can slide him like this, rotate him across, and then he turns into a full eating area that I can put chairs around. Great concept, and something that's a little bit shorter, giving you all those options. Huge L sectional couch at the back here. I love how comfy these seats are. They almost look like a fabric, but they're a little bit tougher than that, just so you don't get like staining and stuff on them. And then all my blinds here are gonna be a slow rise shade. So they go up nice and slow. They're gonna stay wherever I wanna put them. And then storage all the way across the top here. You'll see those nice glass inserts as well. They use real residential hinges, so these aren't falling down on you as you open them up. And then this guy here too. So you'll get extra storage inside this if you want to use that, but you can always flip him around. He's got cup holders, and you can place that anywhere on the couch you want, or right in the middle. Another cool feature on this guy here is going to be this hidden cabinet. So this guy opens up with tons and tons of storage inside there. You even have a place to maybe hang some coats, put anything you need. Above me is gonna be our 18,000 BTU Furrion Chill Cube AC, and that's ducted throughout the entire unit. Huge 12-volt fridge, so this is gonna be our 10 cubic foot fridge by Furrion. Tons and tons of space. They don't have that propane mechanism in the back anymore, so you can actually fit a full pizza box inside there without having to bend it up. Beautiful, laminate countertops coming across here, giving it a nice sharp look. And you'll notice the drop stainless steel sink inside here. So no more knife dents with the rubber or with the plastic sinks, and no more discoloration. And the beautiful gold accents just make this unit pop, I think. All of my cabinets, again, are gonna have that residential hinge and some magnet closures. On this one here, they actually do magnet closures on the top and the bottom just to make those nice and sturdy. And these doors are all gonna be a real solid wood, so they're not like a fake particle board that's gonna deteriorate after some time. And as we make our way up the stairs here, this remote actually controls that Furrion AC. So I can click whatever I need, and it does have a temperature sensing option. So wherever I take this remote inside the unit, that AC is gonna kick on so that that exact place is exactly the temperature that I set. All of our lights are dimmable, and you'll see the different options on here. I can turn them straight off if I wanted to, or straight back on, or I can dim them up and down. And then being able to hit my slides and my awnings and my water tank pump and freshwater tank heaters are all right here as well. As you make your way into the bathroom, you'll notice this huge shower area with the glass closure, big porcelain toilet, and lots of countertop space. As you make your way into the bedroom area, you'll notice this huge king-size bed in the Cougar with storage all the way around the outside. You even get a little cubby on either side of these that will open up for you. Storage up top and storage up here as well. Tons and tons, and then you get a little nightstand to be able to put your phone down, USB A and C chargers to be able to charge whatever you need, and then even more storage on this side of it. So this guy here opens up, and if you wanted to, you can actually put a combo washer dryer inside this guy here. Thanks for watching this walkthrough of our Cougar, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to us at Arcan here.